Hey beauties, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, I am loving this pink like yes, like yes, y'all, yes. This pink is like giving me life, all types of life. My son came to me and I said, how old do I look? And he said, you look like you're in your 20s. I'm like, you already know what you're talking about. Anyway, we not on this. We talking about some other hair, y'all. So the other hair is the Outre Batik Premium Multi Blend. I'm going to take this package off because, you know, it gives off the little gloomy light. So you would think I'm talking about this hair, y'all, again. This hair is just lit. It's lit. Okay, but what I'm talking about is another color. This right here is a Jamaican Beach Wave. What? Let's go ahead on and take off this little drawstring thing here. Okay, let's take this off. And let's see what type of life this hair gonna give me. First off, this is 4-inch deep lace parting piece. This right here. The specs of everything is on the back of here. And me looking at this closure is like lit. I'm gonna take it off, y'all. What? This little closure right here is kind of like lit. I can do this. I can do this. Let's take the plastic off. Well, not the plastic, but the netting off. It has like a little covering in the back. It's supposed to be like a covering so it can look like a good base. Look at this closure. What? Look at the pattern of the hair, period. This is Jamaican wave, y'all. What? We're going to light these bundles up. We're going to do this. Oh, I hope I didn't show it too fast. So this is what this looked like. And this right here is like a violet pink. And it's with dark roots, which is black. Yes. Oh, kill me with the kindness, honey. Kill me with the kindness. We're going to do this. Okay, so let's get into the specs. This is a Jamaican Beach Wave 5-piece. It comes with a 16-inch, an 18-inch, a 20-inch, and a 22-inch. Okay, and it says 1-pack solution. The color is LDR Violet Pink. This is a premium multi-blend, and it's by Outre Batik. B-A-T-I-K, Batik. It is a premium multi-blend. That means that it is synthetic, mixed with a little human, but it's more synthetic. Believe that. So please, this is not human hair. This is synthetic. You guys all know that if it comes like this, it is synthetic. So this is what this looks like. The young lady on here, she's very, very gorgeous. Very gorgeous. The color that she has is LDR and it's red. That's her color that she has right here. The color that I have is LDR Violet Pink. So it's like a pinkish, like purplish type look though to me. But it's still adorable. It's really adorable. So it comes with a complete style in 1 pack. Free 4-inch deep lace parting piece. New high-tech blend fiber. Soft and smooth texture. Secure double track weft for a superior finish. Heat friendly with great curl retention. Now they say that the safe degree to be able to put your curling iron on is 400 degrees. And they say curl it just like human hair. They lying. My nose started running to you. They lying. Anyway, so this is what this looks like here. And they have the maintenance and all that stuff on here, guys. So this is what the pattern looks like. This is really nice, really beautiful. So I'm not gonna we got to look at it. If I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna take it off, yes I am. We have to look at it. This right here would be the 22-inch. Now, looking at this, I don't see a whole lot of hair in it, but the wefting, if you can see, is fairly thick up in the wefting area. So the bearding is pretty put together. It's not like a whole bunch of shaggy pieces up in here. You know how sometimes they can give it to you. So, I mean, it's okay. The thickness is like really, really okay. You can see that. Now, to hit me, oh, I'm looking so sick. I'm sorry, y'all. I need a sex break. A sexy break. Oh, my goodness. But anyway, so if you can see this here, is what the hair looks like. It's beautiful. It's just so beautiful. It's going to hit me Oh my goodness, to my stomach. So this is like really true to the length, but I'll know once I make the wig. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this cap right here, which is the Donna cap. It's the 22532 in black deluxe multi-use weaving cap. This is $2.99. It's extra large. So that means it's big head friendly. Two different type of nets, adjustable strap, the best brand for fashion leaders. So this is what this looks like. It says hold secure, one size fit all, adjustable strap. So they have other weaving caps, and this is on the back of here what they may look like. If you would like to purchase them, you probably can purchase them. Like I said, this is $2.99, and I have one open already, and this is what this looks like right here. This right here is the front area. And it has like really small ear tabs. It's not really big at all. And I wanted something small because usually my ear tabs are like all the way down here. And I wanted to just come up this way. So the back has the straps. You can adjust them here and here. And this is like the back nape area. Oh my goodness. This hair is so, so fabulous. Let's do it back. A little bit of hair porn for you guys. Oh my goodness. This hair is so fabulous. So I took the liberty and go ahead on and made this wig instead of doing a tutorial, y'all. I really did not feel like doing a tutorial. And then I thought to myself, it's so many tutorials out here. So there is no need for me to put another one up here. Just another tutorial on how to put bundles. So this is what I have left. And this is the 16-inch that I have left. And I'm going to save this hair in case I need to make any little type of adjustments. But this hair is like super soft. And this is the hair, which is the Jamaican Beach Wave. And it's one pack solution. The color I have is LDR Violet Pink. It comes in 16, 18, 20, and 22. And it comes with a lace closure also. And this is the young lady that was on there. She is so cute. I want to be like her when I grow up. But yeah. This is it. So y'all saw the closure before, and I had to open it up some. And when I opened it up, I used some of my Nika K powder and what is this? ND008. Oh, and I dropped it. Sorry about that. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Nika K, really, this ain't supposed to drop out like this. But I used this color right there. So, oh, I'm so mad I just dropped out. But yeah, this hair is so bouncy, so soft. Oh my goodness. And you see, I didn't have enough space to put any more of this hair in. This hair is just, yes, so bouncy and so just, yes. I have on my little bottoms that one of my subscribers gave to me. Thank you so much to my girl for my pajamas. I love them. But, yes, y'all, look at this hair. It's so super soft, y'all. You hear me? It's so super soft. So I just didn't feel like doing a video tutorial, y'all. So please forgive your girl. You know, but there will be times where I will be doing more tutorials. It's just that I just wanted to just get this hair out the way and make the wig. It took me 3 hours to do this wig, y'all. 3 hours to do it. But I'm going to tell you, this hair is so fabulous. They have it in black, of course. They have it in the red. I showed y'all on the packet. That's what she's rocking right here, the red. They had it in blue. And I don't know what other color. But this has like $26. You probably can get a little bit cheaper if you have like a discount card or you have a license or whatever. I bought it at Security Square Mall. But it's outside of Security. If you live in Baltimore, then you know what Security is. So I drove really far to get to Security because I was looking for some wigs. But when I found Camp on his hair, I was like, okay, I can make my own wig exactly how I want it. So the place is called Beauty For You. But your local beauty hair store probably already have this hair, guys. So, I mean, I would check it out. It's the Jamaican Beach Wave. I would check it out to see because this hair is just fabulous. This hair is just like really what? Yes. This hair is so bouncy, so nice. Look at this hair. Bouncy and nice. It's so flowy. You know, I can do this. It's really light on your head. Now, as far as the shedding is concerned, you know all hair sheds. So, we're not even gonna trip. And for the price you paying for this, it can shed, but not like a dog. This don't shed like a puppy. So I haven't really worn it to be able to know anything about it. And the hair, I did pluck from out of here. I don't even know what I did with that. Anyway, like y'all want to see some hair, but it wasn't a lot. I took some of it out. You know what I'm saying? And just plucked it out to make it look a little bit natural. Of course, we know that this is not my hair, so it's not going to look really, really, really natural. I don't even really care, as long as it look good to me. You know, so where are my big divas at? My big diva hair wearing ladies at? If y'all anywhere on this video, then here you go, boo-boo. Look at this. It is so much hair in here, y'all. Girl, go here, get out my face. Yes, look at this hair. I'm gonna start in this hair, and y'all, Jay love this hair. He love it, but the only thing that's important is that I love it. I love this hair, y'all. I'm gonna keep this wig on all day. I don't want to mess it up though, but I'm gonna keep it on, and I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna put it in a nice little plastic bag, and I'm just gonna store it away for when I'm ready to wear it. But I will be wearing this wig. But I just wanted to show y'all the wig. So let me get out of here, because I am actually into 5 minutes, and I don't really want it to be that long after I already did the showing of the hair. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Push the notification button, which is a bell. That way when I upload, you will never, ever, 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 ever miss a video that I put up. Okay? So remember, subscribe, thumbs up, comment, like, share this video. You know, somebody who wants some of this hair, or it's pretty to them, you know, or pretty to you, and it may be pretty to them, then share it. That way they may get their hands on this hair. That way they can make a wig. All right. Be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.